Whether you love or hate TikTok is irrelevant because your kid probably loves it, and good luck telling them they're not allowed to use it.
I hate you! I hate you!
Alright, parents used to be concerned about their kids playing with their Tamagotchi too much, and now they have an endless slew of addictive autoplaying scrolling at their fingertips. God help us all. But what you can do is ensure that your kids are educated about TikTok's data collection practices and how accessible the content that they put out there is to just about anyone. Depending on what age that they input, not necessarily what age they are when they sign up, TikTok restricts accounts by age range. From 13 to 15 gets the strongest protection, private accounts, no DMs, and limited interactions, but profile info is still public. Ages 16 to 17 have more freedom, like enabling DMs or public accounts, so conversations about digital safety matter even more. And at 18 and over, they have full access by default, while legally adults, they're still vulnerable to TikTok's algorithm and social pressures.
It's a very dangerous world out there.
With family pairing, though, you can set or limit screen time, enable restricted mode, which filters out some of the mature content, control who can send direct messages, limit who can view your child's liked videos, or decide whether your child's account is private or public. You and your child will both need to log in, as your child must confirm the link for it to activate. On both accounts, go to Settings, under Content and Display, tap Family Pairing, select Parent and Teen on your respective devices, and when the red button lights up, tap Next. To link accounts, have your teen scan the QR code or tap Send Invite. Once the accounts are linked, you can choose the features you want to manage. But we want to know what you think. Do you talk openly with your kids about TikTok use? Let us know in the comments below.